Motions are before the House. I will now put the motion number 1, proposed by Shri Vijay Sardesai and seconded by Shri Subhash Ankush Shirodkar, to the vote of the House. Those in favor will stand in their seat, except for Shri Madkaikar, Pandurang Madkaikar may sit and raise his hand, except for Shri Pandurang Madkaikar. Standing, count. आत वयर केला पुरो मडकईकर. Standing is 22. No. Those who are against the motion may stand. Please count. 16. I hereby declare Shri Rajesh Tulsidas Patnekar is elected to the post of Speaker of the House and offer him my hearty congratulations.
Yes.
I am sure that after having been in this assembly for a certain number of years, you will use your best ability to do justice to the decisions and all the difficulties that are required, which are highlighted in the House by both the members of the House.
आणि त्याचबरोबर आणि काही प्रश्न असा म्हणजे डिस्क्वालिफिकेशन पिटिशन इज पेंडिंग बिफोर द हाऊस. एक असा बाब विश्वजीत राणेचेर आणि दोन असा बाब दीपक पावसकर आणि माननीय मंत्री जे आसा ते मनोहर आजगांवकराचेर. ह्या सभागृहाचो इतिहास आसा 1963 ते आतां पर्यंत की जेन्ना जेन्ना ही डिस्क्वालिफिकेशन पिटिशन्स घातल्या ती योग्य वेळार फायनल केल्ली आसा. तशी तुमी ते करतले अशें आशा दवरता आनी वेगवेगळ्या वेळार ह्या सभागृहाची पवित्रताय तुमी जपतले अशें आशा दवरून हांव तुमचें मन पसून काळजा पसून अभिनंदन करतां.
ह्या गोंयच्या सभार विशयाचेर मांडले वयतले हे सगळे प्रश्न सुटाव जावचे, ताच्या खातीर लोकांक उतरां मेळची. तुमी सदोदीत न्याय जे आसा हे विरोधकाक पयलीं म्हणटा तसो आनी सत्ताधाऱ्यांक ह्या दोगांयकूय न्याय निश्चितच दितले. आनी त्याच बरोबर गोंयच्या ह्या विकासांत गोंयच्या ह्या नवीन घडपी जे कायदे आसतले किंवा विविध दुरुस्त्यो आसतल्यो ह्यो सुचयता आसतना सदोदीत तुमी फुडाकार घेतले.
That don't leave the house during the assembly session. Try to study, try to watch, try to study the proceedings of the house. You will enjoy it because people are watching you on TV, the performance of the MLA, the people from your constituency. So don't make your seat empty. Be in the house always. It's my request. So again, thanking you all. Before concluding my speech, I cannot forget our late Honorable Chief Minister, Sri Manohar Bhai Parrikar. We are missing him today.